Hello students, class 7th, chapter number 4, exercise 4D. Today we discuss question number 4. Okay, see. Question number 4 is that subtract the sum of minus 36 upon 11 and 49 upon 22 from the sum of 33 upon 8 and minus 19 upon 4. Okay students, so अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन इज दैट ऐसे क्वेश्चन आपने 6th क्लास में भी सॉल्व किए हैं. ओके, तो देखिए कह रहा है सब्ट्रैक्ट द सम ऑफ, तो फर्स्टली फाइंड आउट द सम ऑफ द टू गिवन इंटीजर्स और रेशनल नंबर, दैट इज सम ऑफ टू डिजिट, दैट इज minus 36 upon 11 and 49 upon 22. minus 36 upon 11 and 49 upon 22. Okay students, तो फाइंडिंग द सम ऑफ दिस, फर्स्टली टेक द एलसीएम. इसका क्या लेंगे? एलसीएम लेंगे तो 11 और 22 एलसीएम इज 22. आप निकाल के देख सकते हैं. ओके, ऐसे निकालेंगे. मैं इधर सॉल्व करता हूं. देखिए ऐसे 11 एंड 22. 11 से करेंगे, 11 1 जा 11, 11 2 जा 22, देन 2 1 जा 2. सो आवर एलसीएम इज 11 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 इज 22. So LCM is 22. Now 22 divided by 11, how many times? 2 times. 2 multiplied by 36, that is minus 72. Plus 22 divided by 22 one time, that is 49. Got it? As it is minus 72 plus 49. Got it student? So this one is becomes, that is plus minus minus, मैं यहाँ लिखूँ से, that is minus 23 upon 22. So our sum, first sum is minus 23 upon 22. Got it student? Now student, next is that again finding the sum. Next आपको एक और sum find out करना है. जो result आएगा उसमें से इस आंसर को क्या करना है? माइनस करना है, that is subtract करना है. So next sum is that 33 upon 8 and minus 19 upon 4. 33 upon 8 plus minus 19 अपॉन 4. ये ब्रैकेट मैंने इसलिए लगाया यहाँ पर क्योंकि अपन को सम करना है, बट ये किस में है? प्लस और माइनस में है. अब इसको सॉल्व करेंगे आप. नाउ टेक द एलसीएम. इन दोनों का एलसीएम क्या आएगा? 8 और 4, एलसीएम इज 8. ओके, नाउ 8 डिवाइडेड बाय 8, दैट इज वन टाइम. 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय दिस वन, दैट इज 33 एज इट इज. नाउ स्टूडेंट, दिस वन इज प्लस माइनस माइनस, प्लस माइनस माइनस. ओके, that 8 divided by 4, that is 2 times. 2 multiplied by 19, that is 38. Okay student, now plus minus minus 38 minus 33, that is 5 by 8, or in negative, that is minus 5 by 8, because 38 is greater from 33. So our answer is minus 5 by 8. Got it student? Then after student, that is subtraction. Perform the subtraction. Okay, subtraction करेंगे आप इसका. So the subtraction is that according to question, किसमें से किसको subtract करेंगे? Last answer, फिर from के बाद आपको ये गिवन है, that is minus 5 by 8 minus 23 upon 22. Okay, subtraction के लिए कौन सा साइन यूज किया यहाँ पर? माइनस साइन. Okay, now student, this one take the LCM of 8 and 22. Okay, then after we get, that is 8 and 22 LCM लीजिए आप, that is 8 and 22 LCM. okay, divide by 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. okay, now divide by, that is 4, 4 1s are 4, 11 as it is. now 11 1s are 11. okay, so 11 is a prime number. so 4 2s are 8, 8 11 multiplied by 8 is 88. So LCM is that student, that is 88. यहाँ solve करते हैं इसे, that is 88. Got it? LCM solve करना है 88. Now 88 divided by 5. 88 divided by 8. What we get? That is 11 time. Okay. Now 11 multiplied by, that is 5. So we get, that is 55. और वो भी किसका? माइनस. Okay. क्योंकि माइनस का 55 है तो बस. So this one is 88 divided by 8, that is 11 times. 11 multiplied by 5 is 55 and minus as it is. Minus minus plus. तो ये ब्रैकेट के बाहर है, जैसे मल्टीप्लाई होगा. So minus minus plus. Now this one 88 divided by 22. How many times? That is 4 times. Okay, 4 times. That is 23 multiplied by 4 is 92. Got it? कोई दिक्कत? 88 divided by 22, how many times? That is 4 times. 4 multiplied by 23, 23 4s, that is 92. Okay. Now subtract this one, student. This one plus minus minus. So this one is answer will come in positive because 92 is greater from 55. So plus minus minus. Take one carry, that is 12 minus 5 is 7. Okay. And this one 8 minus 5, that is 3. So this one is 37 upon 88. So our final answer is that is 37 upon 88. Got it, student? Any doubt? समझ में आया? वापस समझ लीजिए एक बार. According to question is that कह रहा है आपसे subtract the sum of the given two integers from the sum of given two integers. So firstly find out the sum of these integers. Then after this second integer sum, then the subtraction from this result, that is minus 5 by 8 to minus 23 upon 22. Then we get the subtraction. The final answer is that 37 upon 88. Got it? Okay. See next question. Now students, see the next question is that question number 7. Remaining question is same. That's why I am skip. You try to solve. Okay. Now question number 7 is that the sum of the two rational number is minus 3. If one of them is minus 15 upon 7, find the other. The sum of the two rational number is given, that is minus 3. So student, what is given? We write that is sum. Sum of two numbers is given, that is minus 3. Okay, and one of the number is NO is number. One number is given, that is minus 15 upon 7. Minus 15 upon 7. Let the other number be that is x. Let the other number be that is x. So according to question is that the sum of the both of the number, that is x plus minus 15 upon 7 is equal to, that is minus 3. दोनों नंबर का सम कितना है? minus 3. So transpose, for finding the value of x, transpose minus 15 upon 7 to that side, that is x equal to minus 3. When we transpose this one side, then that is becomes positive. So minus 15 upon 7 becomes positive 15 upon 7. Then after take the LCM of this, so LCM of this student, that is 7. So 7 3s are, क्योंकि यहाँ पर 1 आपके पास LCM कितना आएगा? 7 आएगा. So 7 3s are, that is 21. So this one is minus 21. 7 divided by 7 one time, 1 multiplied by 15, that is 15 as it is. 15 minus 21, that is 6 upon 7, and this one minus 6 upon 7 because this one minus 21 is greater from 15. Okay, so this one our answer is minus 6 upon 7. Got it, students? Okay. Now students, see the next question is that question number 11. उस साइड में पास स्पेस है, वहां पर कर सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 देखिए अपने पास क्या है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 is what should be added to minus 5 by 7 to get minus 2 by 3. Okay, what should be added to minus 5 by 7? कि minus 5 by 7 में क्या ऐड करें कि our answer will come, that is minus 2 by 3. So student, we assume that let we add in question number 11, let x be added. क्या ऐड कर रहे हैं हम उसके अंदर? x be added. x अगर ऐड कर दें, then we get our answer is that is minus 2 by 3. So that is according to question is this, x is added in minus 5 by 7. So our answer will come, we'll check, that is minus 2 by 3. That is minus 2 by 3. Got it? So according to language of this question is that what should be added in minus 5 by 7 to get minus 2 by 3. कि minus 5 by 7 के अंदर क्या ऐड करें कि आंसर कितना आ जाए? minus 2 by 3. तो we assume that x be added. यहाँ क्या है? x एक स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म के तरह पर यूज करते हैं. आप कुछ भी ऐड कर सकते हैं अल्फाबेट के अंदर. जरूरी नहीं कि आप हमेशा क्या x ही ऐड करें. आप कुछ भी ले सकते हैं, a b c d e f g h, कुछ भी जो आपको मन करे. ओके, कोई भी वेरिएबल आपके पास होना चाहिए. Now x is added. Now transpose this one to that side, that is becomes x equal to, that is minus 2 by 3. Negative when transpose that side, that is becomes positive 5 by 7. Now student, that after that take the LCM. 7 and 3 LCM is, that is 21. Okay. Now 21 divided by 3, how many times? 7 times. 7 multiplied by 2, that is minus 14, plus, okay, that is 21 divided by 7, 3 times. 3 multiplied by 5, that is 15. So this one is 15 minus 14 is 1 upon 21. So our answer is that this one, that is hence x equals to 1 upon 21 is added in minus 5 by 7 to get, that is minus 2 by 3. Got it? See next question. Now student, next question is that question number 30 थोड़ा सा अलग है, इसलिए मैं क्वेश्चन ले रहा हूँ. ठीक है? What should be added to minus 13 upon 4 plus minus 3 by 8 to get 1? Okay? So we assume that let x be added. Same process. Let x be added. क्या ऐड कर रहे हैं हम उसके अंदर? x ऐड करते हैं तो हमको 1 मिलता है. तो according to question is that x is added in the given digit is that minus 13 upon 4 plus minus 3 by 8 plus minus 3 by 8 to get, that is 1. Okay? So you will see वही same process solve करेंगे. इस पूरे ब्रैकेट को जब आप वहां लेके जाएंगे तो इसका साइन क्या हो जाएगा? चेंज हो जाएगा. या फिर आप यहाँ इसका साइन चेंज कर लीजिए एक बार, है ना? इन डिजिट का अगर मैं यहाँ बाहर प्लस है तो मैं यहाँ भी इसका साइन चेंज कर सकता हूँ. दैट इज x. अगर ये प्लस का है तो उधर जाएगा कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ता है. बट ये सब माइनस के हैं, है ना? ये माइनस का है, ये भी प्लस माइनस माइनस. थोड़ा सा इसको यही सॉल्व में करूँ तो दिस वन इज बिकम्स minus 13 upon 4 plus minus minus this one minus 3 by 8 is equal to, that is 1. Okay, now transpose minus 13 by 4 and minus 3 by 8 to that side. That is becomes, that is x equal to 1 plus 13 by 4 and plus 3 by 8. Okay, तो जब आपने इसको ट्रांसपोज किया है नेगेटिव था तो उधर से क्या हो गया? पॉजिटिव हो गया. ये प्लस माइनस क्या हो गया? माइनस हो गया. When we transpose minus 13 by 4 to that side, that is becomes positive. Minus 3 by 8 to that side, that is becomes positive 3 by 8. Now take the LCM and solve this one. LCM is that, क्या क्या LCM है आपके पास? डिनोमिनेटर में 1, 4 and 8. तो 1, 4, 8 LCM is 8. कितना आएगा स्टूडेंट्स? 8. Now 1 divided by 8, that is 8 times 8 multiplied by 1, that is 8 plus, okay. Now student, this one is, next is that is 4, 8 divided by 4. How many times? That is 2 times. That is 2 multiplied by 13, that is 26. Okay. Plus, that is 8 divided by 1 time 1 multiplied by 3, that is 3. Okay, so let's solve this one. That is 26 plus 3, that is 29. 29 plus 8 is 37 upon 8. So final answer is that 37 upon 8. So what should be added? Hence 37 upon 8 be added in x or in this, है ना? 37 upon 8 x का आंसर आया. तो 37 upon 8 added in this, then we get that his answer is 1. Got it? ये ट्रांसपोज करने का थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखिए, वापस एक बार समझ लीजिए. यहाँ मैंने पहले इस ब्रैकेट के साइंस को सॉल्व किया, प्लस माइनस माइनस minus 13 by 4 minus 3 by 8. Now transpose minus 13 by 4 to that side and minus 3 by 8 to that side. That is becomes, ये नेगेटिव था तो ये क्या बन गया? पॉजिटिव. और this one is also minus 3 by 8 is negative, so transpose that side, that is becomes positive. Then after take the LCM, that is 8 and 4 LCM is 8. Now 8 divided by 1, how many times? 8 times, that is 8 multiplied by 1 is 8. 8 divided by 4, how many times? That is 2 times. 2 multiplied by 30, that is 26. 8 divided by 8, that is 1 time. 1 multiplied by 3, that is 3 as it is. Now solve this one. 26 plus 8, that is, okay, that is 32, and this one 3 is, that is, sorry, this one is 34 plus 3 is 37. 37 upon 8. Okay, thank you. Now student, the next question is that question number 16 is that is what should be the subtracted from minus 3 by 4 to get 1. That means x, we assume that x is subtracted. Let x is subtracted. Then we get the answer. So what is subtracted? X is subtracted from, that is minus 3 by 4. So according to question is that minus 3 by 4 x is subtracted, then answer is that we get that is 1. Okay, got it? क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करें, मैं आपको हिंदी में समझा दूंगा कि क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करें माइनस 3 by 4 में से कि आंसर में क्या मिल जाए 1 मिल जाए। तो अपन क्या मान रहे हैं x इज सब्ट्रैक्टेड, तो x का वैल्यू निकालने के लिए x क्या होना चाहिए, पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए। तो ट्रांसपोज x टू दैट साइड, that is minus 3 by 4 as it is, and this one x is to that side, this becomes positive, so this one is 1 plus x. Okay, for finding the value of x, x आपको क्या चाहिए, यहाँ सिंगल चाहिए, तो आप 1 को ट्रांसपोज करेंगे इस साइड, ट्रांसपोज करिए, that is minus 3 by 4 and minus 1 is equal to, that is x. Now soon then after is that is take the LCM of this, LCM is 4. Now 4 divided by 4, 4 क्या है, यहाँ पर क्या 1 है, और जब दोनों डिनोमिनेटर में देखिए 4 और 1 है तो आपके 4 आएगा, इसमें 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 4, दैट इज 1 टाइम 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय -3, दैट इज -3, एंड दिस वन इज माइनस 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 1, 4 टाइम 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1, दैट इज 4 इज इक्वल टू x, माइनस माइनस प्लस, तो दिस वन इज बिकम दैट इज -7/4. So student, hence our answer is that what is subtracted, that is -7/4. Okay, so we can say that that is -7/4 is subtracted from -3/4 to get that is 1. Okay, thank you students.